Thanks, Xavier. Hi, Piki. Thanks, Dylan. Hi, guys. Dahil I have time na nagawa ko na ang aking mga dapat gawin. Live na ako. Thanks, Midnight. Yes, it's so clean na. Guys, if you need, thanks all in. If you guys need, like, someone to clean your home or your house or your condo or anything, like, you guys should message BB Cleaning Co. Dapat i-follow niyo na siya, guys. Go na. I-follow niyo sila. Kasi sobrang bait nila and yes, and super. Ang lamig. Thank you, Zaira. Yun lang. Wala, hindi pa ako kain ng lunch. Kakatapos ko lang gawin yung mga school works. Actually, hindi pa lahat. Pero, yeah. Yeah, malinis na. I'm so happy. I don't drink gluta. I just have Vitabears lang. Lunch prep. I don't feel like cooking yet. Thanks, Rix. I'm tired pa. I'm okay. Later na. Kakain ako, guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Thanks, Basha. Ano ko nag-crave ko? Din Typhoon talaga. How long sila nag-clean? My condo's just a studio unit, but they spent more than an hour cleaning, and they're already dalawa, so they really take time. Like, for real. Thanks, Yan. Thanks, wow. Guys, if you guys want, thanks, Elson. Thanks, Sean. If you guys want me to sing or do something, let me know. Thank you. Lamig talaga. Thanks, Gio. Hi. Thanks, Rix. I'm gonna eat bread. Should eat bread. I should get. Cause I wanna go out. Like, thanks, Pilot Cutie. Feeling ko gusto ko mag-order na lang ng food. Thank you. Hindi ko pa alam kung magkano yung electric bill ko. Titignan ko pa kasi first month ko pa lang here. So, di ko alam. Kaya nga eh. Kumusta ka na, Queen? Hi! I'm okay. Thank you so much for asking. Just gonna eat bread cause I don't feel like ordering pa food. Maya na siguro pag... Cause I have to go to school at 3 p.m. 2:30 pala. Oh yeah, 3. Yes, naka-wifi na ako. You know, ako yung nagpe-pay ng wifi ko. Please be proud of me. That's why I go live. What's your plan for the rest of the month pa? Nothing much. I just want to finish. Kaya pala sobrang lamig kasi umuulan. Oh, sobrang lamig. See? It's raining. Should I turn off now? Should I? Thanks, CJ. Should I or should I not? Huwag na lang. Tapos may initan na naman mamaya. Hindi ko na lang talaga alam kung paano ako. Thanks, Rix. Thanks, City. Thanks, ARPC. But it really is so cold. Ay, di ko kaya kung fan lang. There's a reason why we chose a condo na may aircon. Feel the rain on your skin. If you guys really know me, you know na hindi ko talaga kaya na lamigin ako, pero hindi ko din kaya na walang aircon. So, hindi ko talaga alam paano mag-adjust. Guys, mabagal ba yung live ko? Say yes. Say yes or say no. Mabagal ba? Oo naman. Thanks, Cram. Second generation. Thank you, Rabe. Also, thank you pala kay Kulatsky kagabi. Tsaka kay ZK also. Because they gave me something. Because they saw me ranting sa broadcast channel ko. Nagulat naman ako. Ay! Grabe naman. Thank you so much, Captain, for the gift. Yeah, batch kami. Wait lang. Wait lang, natawa ako. Ano daw sabi? Meet and greet ka pa sa Marikina, please. Di na ako pumupunta sa Marikina eh. Minsan na lang. Kung pupunta man ako doon, for kala Ate Gia lang and sila Kuya Kenas. Mga friends ko lang talaga doon. Although malapit ako sa Marikina ngayon. Yung gusto ko kasi sila yung pumunta dito sa condo kasi hindi pa nila na pupuntahan ng andito ako. Last time kasi, my family, pero friends. Oh, cute! I don't feel alone anymore. Thank you so much. Love, thank you. That's so cute. Hinag ako. Ang tawag dito? Saan na nga ako? Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Cutie. I want them to go here because hindi pa sila nakakapunta dito na andito ako. And I want them to hang out with me here. Because saktong-sakto lang kasi yung space talaga for us. Kasi pag pumupunta naman ako dun sa bahay nila Ate Gia, nasa kwarto lang din naman kami. Eh, parang ganito lang din yun. So, yeah. Thank you. Excuse me. Mash G. Thank you, Toots. Thank you, G1. No, minsan na lang ako nag-order. Yeah, minsan na lang. Pero malapit na din ako mag-grocery again. Ano ang tawag nito? May nag-ask kung ano daw yung favorite kong song at the moment. Aaralin niya. Right now, gustong gusto ko talaga yung sining. Alam niyo ba yun? Like, super favorite ko talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko. Nagkausap na ba kayo ni Aya in person? I think so. Yes. I think so. And I believe I don't know if she still remembered it, pero I think I mentioned to her na, Ate, you should join more pageants. Sabi ko sa kanya. Yan lang yung alala ko na time. And then I think I spoke to her in Bisaya. I think. Feeling ko tama ako. Basta lahat ng Bisaya, I also talk to them in Bisaya kasi minsan lang makahanap ng nagbibisaya syempre sa Manila. So, when I get the chance, like, I really talk to them in Bisaya. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you so much, love. Ilang taon ka na? Um, 20. Bakit ako nag-doubt dun? Ba't ako nagdadalawang isip? Hi, Eros! Dili ko kabalo if I'm gonna make uban. Thank you, A. Ang tawag dito? May nagre-request ng sining. So, syempre, kakantayin natin yan. Thank you, Alan. Ayan, andito na ako sa... Hi, Gab. Thank you, Early. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Jane. Thanks, Cutie. Must I kiss you every... Thank you, Renz. My lipstick, eto merong filter to. So, eto. Pero naglagay din ako ng lip tint kanina. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron pa. Thank you, Captain. Okay, I'll try. Thank you, A. How are you and Coco? Me and Coco are still best friends, guys. Chill. You know, not... Ganun ba? Like, nagbabago ba yung mga best friends sa inyo? Like, pag hindi kayo nagkikita, meaning ba dun, di na kayo best friends or di na kayo okay? Because in my part, all my best friends, like sila CJ, my best friends in Pagadian, even if we don't talk often, but I know that we're still best friends and we're still goods. Pero of course, when you treat someone so dearly and then they do something to you, they do something bad to you, of course, wag ka din matakot na mawalan ng mga tao sa life mo kasi wala eh, kailangan yun, part yun sa'yo na na may mawala, ganon, na mga friends. And that's okay. Cause they're lessons. They're there for a reason. And they're not there for a reason. Okay? Say okay. Okay. Thank you, Eros. Hindi pa ako nag-audition sa Star Hunt. Hindi pa. Soon, maybe. Soon. Okay. Try. Pwede yung merong may kasabay ako. Ito talaga yung favorite ko, promise. I swear.
Ibahin mo ang Bai Jessic. Maingat yan. Pwede nga kahit sa buntis. Most doctor prescribed pa.
Maingat pala talaga ang Bai Jessic.
Gamot agad?
Bai Jessic agad.
Dito. Malamang magugulat ako kung may kasabay ako ngayon. Di natakot ako. Okay. Isa pa. Sorry. Thanks yun. Narinig niyo din ba? Flowers not a flower until they bloom. Like my first time living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No wonder I fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way pinsalay ka na mada ang binibining may salamang ka. Into a bouquet, ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong di naluluma. Binibini kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa ka na keep. Ano yun tumunog? Again. Narinig niyo ba? Bakit may tunog? Ayoko nang may tunog. Ayoko nang may kumakanta. Ay, nagsasalita. Again. Sorry. Last one. Thank you, Ferdy. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. A flower's not a flower until they bloom. Like my first time living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No wonder I fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way pinsalay kinamada ang binibining may salamang ka. You've turned my limbics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong di naluluma. Binibini kong ginto hanggang naluluwa. Gonna keep you like a nakasya on my life. Sa tingin mo ng oras mo'y lumipas na ako'y patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. Gonna kiss you every single day all my life. Okay, that's it. Gonna keep you like a nakasya all my life. Thanks, Kali. Thanks, Ram. Thank you. Yan lang. Ano daw? Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you, Bago. Ano daw? Cover. Uy, thank you, Dogsy. Thank you so much. Uy, actually, nag-isip na talaga ako na mag-cover ng song na to. Feeling ko kung meron ako i-cover, baka ito yun. Pero hindi ko siguro tatapusin, yung alam ko lang. So, let's wait. Pag mawala na yung sakit, pag mawala na yung ubo ko, yung sipon ko, gonna do it. Yeah. More pa? Oh, what do you guys want pa? Thank you so much, Ferdy! Oh my gosh! Tiramisu cake! Wait! Gretzky, no, not yet! I'm gonna post it! Guys! I'm gonna post a TikTok later. Ayan! Ba yan? It was supposed to be a surprise. It's not a surprise anymore. Di pa ako kumakain. Pero guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. Kakain din po ako kasi magsuschool ako. So, kailangan kong kumain. Alam niyo naman na every 9 p.m. ako nagpo-post. So, ang lapit ko ba? Thanks, Hannah. Thank you. Ate, anong powder foundation mo? Wala akong foundation ngayon. Di ako nagfa-foundation talaga. Kasi, feeling ko kasi magbe-breakout ako. Feeling ko talaga magbe-breakout ako. Thank you so... Ayan na siya. Ay, dito lang siya. Wala dito. Thank you so much. Love, love. Sige, okay. Maybe this time. Try natin. Shit, grabe naman talaga kayo request. Talagang grabe. Talagang grabe. Bakit? Pero nag-powder ako. Yung gamit kong powder is lang siya. Hindi siya powder na meron siyang effect. Yung pang-setting powder lang ganun. Thanks, Hannah. Ay, grabe naman talaga. Grabe naman talaga yung mga request nyo. Huwag kayong Oh my gosh! What the heck? Thank you so much, Ferdy. Wait, kailangan i-English yata natin to kasi parang hindi... Thank you. My cough is coughing. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Ay, Filipino. Thank you po. Saan ka po sa Canada? Ay, tinanong. Kasi nakita ko, baka alam ko kung saan yung place. Thank you. Bakit? Hindi ka naman ako. Oh! Yeah, parang I know someone from Calgary. Thank you so much, Christian. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Hindi na nakapagsalita. Thank you so much, Ferdy. Again, thank you so much. Thank you, Wayne. Okay, namula ako dun ah. Kaya nga next month. Wait lang. Kakanta muna ako, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Eljuk. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, wait lang. Ano, kakanta pa ba? Or... Okay, eto na. Hala, ngayon ka pa hindi lalaban ah. Two old friends meet again where we know the faces and talk about the What? Gagi! Thank you so much! Ano ulit? Ferdy, thank you so much. Grabe ka! Grabe, thank you. Nilolol mo lang talaga ako. Ginaganon-ganon mo lang. Thank you so much po. Uy, mag-request ka naman. Okay, eto na. Grabe. Two old friends meet again, where we know the faces and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again, have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Grabe, may sakit pa ako nito. Charota. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know love is real. Okay, sige, kantahan kita na para sa akin. Wait lang. Never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. Got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Cute! Thank you po! Thank you so much, love. Thank you so much, Ferdy. Oh my gosh, you know what? All the gifts you guys have been sending to me right now, hindi ko sila familiar. Thank you po. Way back. Feeling ko hindi ko abot. Waiting for this magic moment. Just friends. No, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Thank you so much. Grabe naman! Charot. Ino-OA na naman. Thank you so much, love. Grabe, para talaga ako naglalabanan. Charot lang. Kung mainis na kayo sa akin, huwag kayo mainis ah. Guys, huwag kayo mainis. Okay, dahil talagang para sa akin yung araw na to. Oh! Eto.
Hirap po ito, Nay. Ako na po.
Kamis maging fangirl mo, bakit ka nawala? Okay, eto na. Grabe kayo. Sa kanta lang pero sinasayawan ko na kayo. Let's go. Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ko'y papalarin na ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Hala, talagang grabe tiguan kay talaga. Ayoko na. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Eljoke. Thank you so much. Wala, matutulog na ako. Charot. Thank you so much, Enzo. Thank you so much, Ferdy. Okay. This is for you. Ano lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Nadidistract na ako sa... Woo! Guys, alam niyo minsan na ako mag-live pero bakit ganyan kayo palagi? Pero ngayon yung grabe. Kung ko ay papalarin na ako iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin. Yan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin. Yan lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Para sa akin. Oh, you like the classics. Yun lang. Thank you so much, Ferdy. Thank you so much, guys. Ano daw? Thank you for that song, of course. Thank you so much also for your gifts. I appreciate it a lot. Bakit nyo po pala pinapalinis yung condo unit nyo? Di nyo po ba kaya? Guys, it doesn't mean that I don't need it. But kakalipat ko lang kasi dito. So, ay! Si Kuya Lester pala to. Thank you so much, Kuya. Kay Enzo. Kaya sabi ko, Enzo? I know an Enzo. Thank you, Enzo boo. I miss you guys. That's what my talent. Oh! Wait, you know, I also want to join The Voice Philippines. Pero, hindi ko lang sure kung... Thank you, Z. Hindi ko sure po kung pang ganun yung boses ko. Feeling ko pang acoustic lang, pang ganun. Feeling ko hindi siya mga laban. Pero, yeah. Ayun nga, going back to December. Thank you so much, Marcelino. Thank you so much, Alas. Thank you so much, Che. It doesn't mean that I can't handle the condo by myself. Pero kasi kakalipat ko lang dito and maalikabok pa talaga siya kasi hindi siya natirhan for a couple of months. So, I really needed that deep cleaning. And, you know, BB Cleaning Co. sa Instagram is the best talaga when it comes to cleaning. And they're really known for it. So, dahil talagang yung ilong ko hindi na talaga kinakaya to, i-off ko na talaga. What's your hair secret po, Ate Frances? I don't have any secret. I use Flawless Glow by Vita Bears. I post it naman. Just check it on my... Scroll ka lang and search mo. Thank you, Easy. And, ang tag dito? Diba? Nag-brain fog na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Next question, please. Thank you, JL. Anong grade ka na po? I'm third year college student. Oh, hi! Hi, JL. Thank you, Masti. Yeah, grade 1. Yeah, I'm Bisaya. What's your program? I'm an international studies student and major in international politics and peace studies. How's life lately, Idol? Okay lang naman. Nakakagulat lang kasi first and second year namin kasi kakastart pa lang ng classes ulit. And nagulat ako kasi sobrang dami ng pinapagawa ngayon pa lang and it's giving torture. Charot. Excuse me. Diba? Grabe. Ang dami ng pinapagawa. Biggest fear. I guess biggest fear probably be losing the people I love, especially my family. Losing my dogs. Siguro yun yung hindi ko kaya talaga mangyari sa buhay ko. Yeah. Oh my gosh, answering the most wanted question of the year. Why do I have tattoo? Guys, it's already 2024. I think we all deserve to get to have a right of what we want to do with our bodies. And you know, I really wanted to do that. I have scoliosis, so having that tattoo on that specific part is just a constant reminder for me na my body is beautiful and that I should love my body no matter what. And yeah, I don't think me having tattoos should affect you or your life. If you want to have tattoos also, get one. Ako naman, hindi ko naman planong damihan yung tattoos ko. Gusto ko lang talaga yung tago and talagang kasi maglo-lawyer ako and gusto ko lang talaga yung meron talagang constant reminder. Sa akin lang naman yun. Wala namang pilitan sa inyo. Ano breed ng dog mo? We have 2 Rottermans and 1 Pit Bull Terrier. Yeah, I have one. And it's, you can't see it anywhere. So, I mean, I've already posted it on my Instagram account, but it's not like anyone could see it right away. But yeah, I really wanted to get that tattoo ever since I turned 18. And yeah, ganun talaga ako eh. Like, if I want something, I get it. Thank you, Mandu. And as long as I'm not like making tapak anyone, then should also do that. Yes, it's with love. My tattoo is coated with love to remind me always that my body is with love. And I should love it always. Kasi guys, meron talagang mga times na alam mo yun, parang alam mo naman sa sarili mo na maganda naman yung katawan mo or kamahal-mahal naman yung tattoo mo. Ay, yung tattoo mo, yung katawan mo. Pero there are sometimes na you get insecure lang, not because of the bodies of other people. Hindi kasi ako maganon eh. Hindi ako ma-insecure sa ibang tao. Sa sarili ko, ako may problem. Sarili versus sarili. Ganon yung atake. And, yun, parang matagal ko na talaga gusto gawin yun. Kasi para, tumigil ka na yan. Eh di nagpatattoo na lang talaga. You look like a tourism student po. I've considered naman taking tourism, pero my parents don't want me to pursue that. And ako naman, pero apart isa siya sa mga gusto ko talaga i-take din. Yeah. Okay, dahil I'm gonna have lunch na. I think I'm gonna cook lunch na. I'm gonna end na in a while. Pero I'm gonna answer your questions until 12:40. Height reveal. I'm 5'3" and a half. 5'3" and a half. Simple lang. Feeling ko magtutunak carbonara lang ako, pero yung simpleng version. Kasi I don't have much ingredients here. Thank you, RDNY. Soon, guys. I'm gonna go live on Kumu again soon. Thank you, Gut. Sino daw mas cute sa amin ni Coco? Syempre, guys, si Coco. Talagang cute talaga siya. Ganun talaga siya. Alam mo yung kahit nakakainis yung mukha niya. Wala eh. Cute talaga siya eh. Natural niya. Ganun. Natural siyang ganun. Thanks, Debu. Thanks, DNY. Hindi kasi ako cute eh. Feeling lang. Feeling cute. 5'3" and a half lang ako. Ano lang yan? Fake. Yeah, I have retainer here. Thanks, Anubis. Thank you, Lemon Finger. Asan si Duke? Okay, guys. Yung kapatid ko, guys, nasa Pagadian. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya ngayon. Nasa Manila po ako, so hindi ko alam. Gusto niyo ba tanungin ko pa? Hala, grabe matangkad ka lang. Thanks, Anubis. Pet peeve ko. Tabi ako pet peeve. Ano ba yung pet peeve ko? Hindi ko alam eh, pero madami. Pag nangyayari na lang, saka ko na lang naaalala kung ano siya. Ew, anong ex? Yeah, Moji's my pet. My friend Nins is here. Hi, Nins. Sayaw Kikay. Fave Lippy, anything Roman talaga, I swear. I'm gonna end na siguro. I think I'm warm tone. Ayaw sa suggest sa K-drama. Unsa man na K-drama yung mga ganahan na genre? Kanang romance, unsa man. Nagbibisaya na tuloy ako. Tanungin nyo kasi ako ng romance. Crash Landing on You? Or I forgot. Bisaya de ko. Yeah. Oh, Alchemy of Souls. Please, manood kayo Alchemy of Souls, guys. I swear to God. Promise. Fave na ko karon is Sining by Dionella. Yeah. Queen of Tears also is sobrang nice. Pero Alchemy of Souls for me, top 1. Guys, I've already answered this a lot of times. Kamu na lang mag-1B. Kinsa sino nakakalam kung sino yung bias ko sa Bini para Ayan na guys, nag-comment na si Agent and si Kwatsky. Can you speak Japanese? Konnichiwa. Watashi no mae wa Francis desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Wah! Parang na-miss ko sabihin yun. Feeling, mga ganun pa. I haven't watched Lovely Runner 2 yet. Do you still play COD? No, not anymore. Kasi 1 na lang yung phone ko ngayon. Kasi binigay ko na sa brother ko yung isang phone ko. So, pag nagka-phone ulit ako, I'm gonna here. I'm gonna download COD again here. Baby, you know, unbearable, there's no way. Oh, really? Sige. iPhone 13, yung phone ko now. Thank you so much. Nag-give. Thank you, Milk Tea. Yes, 2 lang kami. Magkapatid. And saan mo favorite number? Sa electric fan, max 3. Kasi minsan na ako magpa-aircon. Like pag sobrang init lang talaga. Pag wala naman 3 talaga yan. Pero nilalamig pa din ako. Promise. Thank you, Telms. Thank you, Alay. My class is at 3 p.m. today. Later. So, mag-aaral din ako after ko kumain para may notes ako para sa class mamaya. And then, class na ako. Asa naman dapat na cooking show? Ano daw? Kay alas 12 na. Mulakaw na lagi ko, guys. Guys, mulakaw na ko. Boy na ba? Ay nung mo, sige, panghilabot na ako. Mulakaw na ko. Guys, okay? I'm gonna go. Don't keep me from going. Don't stop me. Okay, boy. Ganito na ako kasi antok na ako. muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Oh, yan. Okay na. Mag-end ako live. Mag-end na ako. Hoy, bakit sasampal? Kita mo ba to? Baka gusto mo. Okay, bye-bye. Bye na, guys. Bye na ba? Okay, very good. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you so much to Ferdy and to Kwetsky. Thank you, guys. Should I go live again tomorrow? Thank you again to my top 2 gifters. Should I go live again? Feeling cartoon character na naman ako, guys. Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye.